How to redeem your Love2Shop gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can redeem your Love2Shop gift card online, so just make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you'd like to redeem your Love2Shop gift card online, just go to love2shop.co.uk and then you're basically going to see this type of interface here, where if you look closely you just need to click on the option called manage, activate and spend Love2Shop option here. So you want to make sure to just click on this option. Once you click on this option, it's going to take you to this page where if you have not yet registered an account, you first of all want to make sure to click on register an account button here. Once you click on register an account, make sure to enter the email address and then make sure to also choose a password here. Once you make sure to choose a password like this, all you need to do is just click on the submit button. It will send a code to that specific account. Now all you need to do is make sure to enter your suffix, your first name as well as your last name. Make sure to enter your date of birth here. Once you enter your date of birth as well, what you need to do in this case is enter the home address, enter the mobile number that you want to use, and then click on the submit button. Then once you've done that, what you have to do is you'll be taken to this next page, which is to activate card or e-gift card. When you're on that page, you have to make sure to simply enter your gift card code and your Love2Shop gift card will be successfully activated. This way you can redeem your Love2Shop gift card. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.